Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little chick together. It's super easy, and anyone can make it. Let's get started. First, connect 3 yellow pipe cleaners together. Wrap the pipe cleaner around a pen. Then thread a yellow pipe cleaner through the center. Pull it tight toward the end, then twist to secure it. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Connect 2 yellow pipe cleaners together. Wrap them around the pen just like before. Thread the pipe cleaner through the center like this, then twist to secure. Thread the 2 pipe cleaners through the center, pull them tight, twist to secure, then trim the excess. Bend the pipe cleaner ends inward. Glue on the plastic eyes. Shape an orange pipe cleaner, leaving one end pointed to make the beak. Bend a 2 cm piece of yellow pipe cleaner to make the wings. Trim the excess and glue it in place. Measure a 1.5 cm piece of pipe cleaner and fold it back and forth 3 times. Trim the ends into points to make the feet. Trim the excess and glue it in place. Take an 8 mm red pipe cleaner, fold it 3 times to make the comb. Trim the excess, then glue it firmly in place. Fold the yellow pipe cleaner like this to make the tail. Glue it securely in place. Add a little blush, and it's all finished. Let's take a look at the finished chick. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.